Hey everyone, my name is Harumi from Okei-san.japaneseteaplus. In this short video, I'd like to show you how to make a knot for Furoshiki. Furoshiki is a traditional Japanese wrapping cloth. It is said that it has been used since 17th century. It is used as an eco bag these days. I'll demonstrate one of the basic knotting techniques called Ma-Musubi. If you can make a Ma-Musubi, you'll be able to wrap anything. Firstly, place the blue Furoshiki over the pink one. Bring the corner of the pink portion forward and cross over the blue like this. Bring the corner of the blue portion to the left. Bring the pink one forward. Cross over the blue. Take out through the hole and put it to the right. That's it. This is called Ma-Musubi. This knotting technique is very useful because it's not easy to untie if it is made properly. Here's a bonus tip. Ma-Musubi is very tight, so it can securely wrap and hold even heavy things like a watermelon. But there is a way to untie easily and quickly. When you untie the Ma-Musubi, firstly, put one corner of the Furoshiki to the right. Hold that part. Pull the left side of the Furoshiki out. When it comes through, the right knot should be untied like this. Keep a Furoshiki in your bag and make an instant eco bag and whenever you need it. If you want to buy authentic Furoshiki, check out the link in the description. Enjoy!